When you're homeschooling, you really only need 5 things. So if you're on a really tight budget, this is true, and who isn't nowadays, right? Or maybe your life is just super busy or super chaotic and you're just trying to look for ways to simplify. You really only need 5 things, okay? So the 5 things, you need a library card. You need a very simple math workbook. Doesn't need to be a fancy math curriculum. You just need some sort of notebook, like a composition notebook or a really cute journal. Your Bible, of course, and then outside. You need some sort of outdoors, okay? So you really only need those 5 things. So your library card, you can hit almost every subject with your library card. History and science and art and of course reading, because the best reading program out there is to be read aloud to. Simple math workbook, you can get those at Costco. So if your kid's like in 5th grade, you just get the 5th grade workbook. And the reason why I like these better than those fancy expensive textbooks is there's fewer problems on each page. They're more colorful and they're easier to look at. And they're just more economical and they get down to business faster, okay? Then a writing notebook. So really all you need to do for writing is copy work, narration, give journal prompts and let them write out their ideas. And actually the best writing program is reading aloud. So that brings us back to the library card, okay? Being outdoors, having the opportunity to go outdoors, that's your science, that's your exercise, that's everything else you need. And of course your Bible. And last but not least, it's your Bible. I mean, when you read your Bible, it's your guide. So you're trying to figure out God's plan for your life, and you can find that while reading your Bible and being in His Word. It's history, baby. So there's lots of history in the Bible. And let's face it, it brings you peace, right? So actually, the most important lessons that you're going to be teaching while you homeschool are character and faith value lessons. And what better book to use than your Bible? So really, you only need 5 things in order to homeschool, and that's going to be a library card, that's going to be some sort of writing notebook, that's going to be a very simple math workbook, being outside, so some sort of outdoors, and of course your Bible. You guys have fun. Keep it simple this year.